takes place on M57 just west of Greenville. We had come out of the cafe and it was starting to rain, so Jim and Tracy headed home in their direction and we headed north to try to avoid the storm. Showing up on the video, but we can see lightning to the west of us, and so we decided to turn north once again to try to get around the storm. Like a first round of rain has already came through this town, as some of the roads are still wet, and we can clearly see to the west of us or on our left that the storm is still building. Went straight home from the cafe and ridden straight through the rainstorms. The trip would have only been about 85 to 90 miles, but we managed to turn our trip home into almost 200. Rain just gave us a reason to make the trip longer. We're just enjoying the ride. I think I'm seeing blue skies up ahead. But then we turned. Hardy Dam is to the right if you're interested in visiting dams. Newaygo County, and we are heading towards Newaygo. We didn't miss the rain entirely. Nice to get a quick view of Randy. Oh, hi, Cheryl. These lakes are formed by the Croton and Hardy Dams. We will be crossing over the Croton Dam in just a couple minutes. And here is the Croton Dam. To the left is Newaygo. We are taking the back roads home to avoid any of the wind damage that happened in towns. Well, we didn't miss all of the wind damage as a tree was down on our route home. It was nice of the police officer to be there to warn oncoming traffic.